sounds great. You've heard a lot. You're going to find out more. You'll be licensed also. Any tips on how to get meetings with people you know without looking like you're trying to get them? You hate calling. I don't do any calling. So the way I set up my business, I just started doing YouTube videos. I highly recommend it. It does a couple of things for you. One, it gives you a chance to learn your products, because if you're going to be talking about them on video, you're going to have to know what you're talking about. So you're going to learn it, and you're going to be able to put it out there. You're going to write up a script probably, and then you're going to read the script. That gives you something that you can continue to rewatch, so you can ingrain it into you, right? So if you're just starting out, being able to hear yourself talking about it, saying it, it helps you to learn it and absorb it. The other thing it does is it puts you out there and your personality, and people are going to be attracted to it. It's kind of self-selecting. I hear from a lot of people who are engineers or whose culture has basically taught them to be very detail-oriented. A lot of people like that. And that's because my videos go into a lot of detail. You know, I provide specifics on how these things work. And the people that like that detail and the transparency, they're attracted to that. And so they reach out to me because of that. They don't get that from any other provider, anybody else who does videos on this stuff, right? So that's the niche that I'm in. But they also decide from watching all of the things that I do, how sincere am I in helping? They may be attracted to my personality. They may, over the course of time, decide that I'm trustworthy. And so we're building this relationship through me putting those videos out there and them watching it. So I don't know the relationship is being built until they contact me. Unless you participate in the live stream, then we're building a relationship. And then we're both building it. But in their mind, when they're watching the video, they're already starting to build a relationship. And so a number of times I'll get in a meeting with somebody and they're just like, oh, I watched all your videos. Thank you so much. You know, that's somebody who has paid attention. They've already learned a lot from the videos, and they've already decided that I'm somebody that they're willing to talk about their finances with. And that's a very personal discussion, right? You don't talk about most people don't talk about finances with their family. So it ends up being a very personal decision for people to be able to share that stuff. And so by putting yourself out there, you get the opportunity to start building that relationship and generating trust. So don't do anything to risk that trust. You're working on building it. Do your best to uphold that. Have a set of values that you're going to operate in with your business and your financial advice, and stick to it. And I think you'll do just fine. Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and Whole Life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time. Now go maximize your cash flow.